Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. In the chilly embrace of winter, a reliable water heater becomes an essential household appliance. With a vast array of options in the market, selecting a water heater that is both efficient and safe can be a quite challenge. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi water heater and Altro I+. Boasting smart technology and robust durability, these geysers aim to elevate your bathing experience to a whole new level. Today's video is powered by Racold. Let's get started. As we open this smart and modern water heater, its quality and design caught our eye. The Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi is not just a regular storage water heater, it is loaded with features and works seamlessly while keeping your safety in mind. Choosing a safe water heater is key to keeping our families away from harm. Now let's look closer at what makes this geyser a great choice for any home. This water heater works with smart home devices like Alexa and Google Assistant. You can choose voice commands to turn it on or off or to set the temperature. Controlling your hot water is super easy now. The Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi features an easy-to-use electronic touch control panel that lets you control the geyser and set your desired water temperature effortlessly. It also has a smart digital display that keeps you updated on the water temperature and the hot water status, making it simple and convenient to use. The Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi's auto off feature automatically turns the water heater off at a preset time to save energy and enhance safety. This prevents it from using energy when not needed, cutting down on power use and helping it last longer. The children care feature in the Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi water heater maintains water temperature at a safe temperature, ideal for the delicate skin of young children. This precaution reduces the risk of scalding, ensuring a safe and comfortable bathing experience for your young family members. The Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi water heater can be connected with the Racold NET app designed to enhance user experience through a variety of features. This app would allow for remote control, enabling you to turn the geyser on or off and adjust temperature settings from anywhere. You can also monitor energy consumption and track usage pattern. Additionally, the app offers the ability to schedule your showers and customize heating settings to fit your specific needs and preferences. The Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi water heater comes with Titanium Plus technology, which includes a titanium steel tank and a titanium enamel coating. This makes the geyser very strong, long-lasting and able to resist rust. It is great for all kinds of water, even hard water, helping your geyser work well for a longer time. The silver ion technology in this water heater ensures your health comes first. It prevents harmful bacteria from growing, so you can always have clean, safe water for your baths. Safety comes first with the Omnis DG Wi-Fi. It has a special microprocessor that constantly checks the system. It keeps you safe from electric shocks, warns you if there is a problem, and turns off by itself to stop any accidents. With 3 levels of safety against high temperature and pressure, including a cutoff, thermostat, and safety valve, the Omnis DG Wi-Fi ensures a worry-free shower for you and your family. Racold's Omnis range is available in different colors and 3 different capacities of 10 litre, 15 litre, and 25 litre, and a vertical mount type. This water heater is suitable for various household sizes. It comes with a comprehensive warranty of 2 years on the product, 4 years on the heating element, and 7 years on the tank. And with the 5-star BEE rating, it is as efficient as it is safe. The Racold Omnis DG Wi-Fi is a perfect blend of safety, efficiency, and innovative technology, designed to provide you with the best bathing experience. With its multiple safety features, energy efficiency, and the promise of longevity, it is a great investment for your home and well-being. Next up is Racold's Altro I+ instant water heater. It is a budget-friendly option with excellent specifications. Its unique and sleek design adds a stylish touch to your bathroom. The geyser can fit well in any space while adding a touch of elegance. In the Altro I+ range, there is a smart LED ring. It changes color from red to blue to let you know when your hot water is ready. This not only makes life easier but also makes your geyser look great. One of the smartest features of Racold Altro I+ geyser is that it has 2 modes, kitchen and bath. You choose the mode based on what you need hot water for. The geyser adjusts the water temperature accordingly. For example, it can make water temperature lower for kitchen tasks and higher for bathing, ensuring you don't waste energy or risk burns. This feature ensures you always have water at the perfect temperature for your task, without having to manually mix or wait for it to cool down. It is especially handy in busy households or when you need hot water instantly. Racold's instant geyser heat water quickly, much faster than traditional water heaters. They have a powerful heating element that heats up the water instantly. This means you don't have to wait long for hot water, making it more convenient and comfortable. Safety is a top priority for Racolds, which is why this geyser comes with 3 layers of safety. The Altro range offers 3 capacities: 1 liter, 3 liter and 6 liter. It comes with a great warranty of 2 years on the product, 2 years on heating element and 5 years on the tank. It is super efficient and safe water heater. Racold Altro I is packed with advanced safety features, making it an excellent choice for heating water at home. It offers a warm, comfortable and efficient solution to your hot water needs. Make the switch to Racold and experience innovation in every drop of water. Remember, for installation or product related queries, Racold customer care is just a call away. So if you're considering an upgrade to your home's water heating system, the Racold water heaters are worth checking out. Links to both the Racold water heaters are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.